I'm doing a review on the Shark, um, and that my wife loves this thing, and it's because she has long hair, and if you look in here, I'm going to pull this down. Ugh. If you look in here, well, I guess you can't really see it, but there is little blades. Let's see if I can see them from the bottom. Little blades that keep, I can't see it, keep your hair from being tangled into this beater bar. And that is something that's really important to us because we tend to break vacuums. And you can see that we do use this quite often. It's full. We need probably somebody to empty it before we use it again. But yeah, the beater bar tend to break pretty easily when hair gets all wrapped around it. Not the beater bar, but the actual belt that turns that beater bar. And so far, the Shark has been really good for us. You know, it does have some nice things where it can move around really well. And we definitely have lots of hair. That's cat hair from just last night. So if you have someone that has long, extremely long hair, this vacuum works really well. It's the Shark. It has the teeth for hair, long hair. So thank you.